techies, welcome back to FN. Before going to the video, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to receive further updates. Today I want to share some magical tips and tricks that are hidden in WhatsApp. And guys, please let me know your favorite tip in comment section. Without any delay, let us move to the concept. This trick is helpful to find whom do you test most. Now go to the settings. Click on the data and storage uses. Tap on the second option labeled as storage uses. Now you can identify whom do you frequently test, and you can also notice that how much data you have spent on particular contact. In this way, you can identify whom do you test most and frequently. Now let me show you how to send a message to your contacts without opening WhatsApp. Open your Google Assistant. Please send a message to my friend in WhatsApp.
Who do you want to message?
Swati.
Alright, you want to send a message to Swati, woman raising hand, light skin tone, rolling on the floor, laughing at Tapaka collision. What's the message?
Please subscribe to our channel.
So, that's a message to Swati, woman raising hand, light skin tone, rolling on the floor, laughing at Tapaka collision, saying, please subscribe to our channel. Do you want to send it or change it?
Send it.
Sending your message to Swati, woman raising hand, light skin tone, rolling on the floor, laughing at Tapaka collision.
Thank you.
You're most welcome.
Now let us check that the Google Assistant sent message to my friend in WhatsApp or not. You can observe that the message is sent to my friend. In this way, you can send messages to your contacts without opening WhatsApp. Email chat history for safety. This trick is majorly helpful for women. If someone harasses with abuse message, you can immediately export that particular contact chat to your near and dear ones. Now let us look at the trick. Go to settings. Tap on charts. Scroll down. At the bottom you can find chart history. Click on it. Now tap on export chart. Select the particular contact to export the chart. Now choose an option you prefer, that is include media or without media. Let me select on without media. Now you can export the chart through the following options. Select your near and dear ones contact to export particular chart that makes you trouble. Tap on send. Now the chart is exposed to your selected contact. Here let me share some cool WhatsApp font tips to add some more dramatic effect to your message using WhatsApp options. Type a message. Now tap and hold the message. Choose the appropriate formatting option. Click on the three-dot icon to view other options. Let me select on bold so that my text is converted into bold format. In the same way, the process should be repeated. Italic, strike through, monospace. These are the 4 font styles that are available in WhatsApp. Now let me show you some pretty customizing thing you can do in WhatsApp. Choose a photo from your gallery. Now on the top section you can find an emoji option. Tap on it. Select an emoji that is suitable for the picture. Drag the emoji to the selected place. Now on the right corner you can spot and color rainbow. With the help of this option you can change the colors of an emoji, which is so cool. From there you can also add some additional stickers, as I tried match it to the picture of mine. Drag the sticker to the required position. And further, if you want, you can also add a text box. Drag the text box to the required position. You can even change the border color of the text box. Add a text to it. Now change the color of the text. observe the picture now that makes more attractive. With the help of this tip, you can do all these customizing things during posting a picture. Coming to the next tip is privacy. Previously, if you observe, there is no security for WhatsApp. Now they had provided fingerprint lock. Let us look at it. Go to settings, tap on account, click on privacy, scroll down. At the bottom you can identify an option called fingerprint lock. Tap on it. Enable the option. It asks for confirm fingerprint. Give a touch on the fingerprint sensor. Now it scans your fingerprint. Then after it views further options. Here these three automatically lock refers that how much time you required WhatsApp to lock after closing it. Now choose an option you prefer. Let me select on immediately so that whenever I close the app it immediately locks it. Now the next option is show contact in notification. If you enable this option, it does not reveal the contact name who had messaged you. Coming to the next tip is pin. Here you can pin the top 3 favorite persons from your contacts, and those selected contacts will always be shown on the top of your charts, even if you chat with the unpinned person. Now select top 3 favorite contacts. At the top of the display bar, you can find a pin symbol. Tap on it. Now the 3 pinned contacts will always be shown on the top of your charts until you unpin the selected persons. Now let us start with the unpinned person. Now you can observe the difference here that the pinned contacts are shown in your top of your chart list. Now if you unpin the selected persons, the chart will be shown as previous manner. Let us unpin the selected persons. Now the chart is shown as the previous manner. I hope you all got good stuff. For more information, please visit our website and join social media. The links are mentioned in our description box. Please go through it. This is Aarti signing off. For latest technical updates, please do like, share and subscribe to FIN. Thank you.